Hello everybody, this is TommyGunz and welcome to the first video in the course of the TommyGunz sniper strategy that I personally use and built for trading binary options, specifically on pocketoption.com. This can be used on Quotex, this could be used on Nadex, any place that you can trade binary options that you can use this strategy. These are the two things that I use right here, which is or a few things that I use. I always have I trade on my iPad, so this is my iPad screen that you're seeing right now. So I keep pocket option up over on the right hand side. This is how I put in my trades and everything. You can go to pocketoption.com, create a free account, and practice against the live market with a demo account. So this is a great strategy that you can get in and test and demo trade until you get confident enough to, do live money and put in what you feel like you want to risk trading. But this is how I do it. I have pocket option up over here on the right, and on the left I have tradingview.com. That's also another website that you're going to have to subscribe to. You're not putting in any trades over here, but this is over here is what lets you know what to put in over here. And then I also have my currency strength meter up that lets me, know what is strong and isn't strong in the market and what the market's looking like right now. So that's my personal trading setup. That's all part of the strategy. But let me go ahead and get pocket option out of the way for right now, and we'll just focus over here on TradingView. So in TradingView, like I said, this is where we're going to be marking up our trades at. And first thing you want to do is once you get, like I said, this is a free account. Also with this indicator, you're going to see and get prompted to, make a paid account to subscribe to their subscription service. I personally am subscribed to it, but because I use a few of the teaching tools and everything in it, like Rewind and all of that. But you don't have to. This strategy and this indicator is a bunch of indicators that I got coded into one indicator, so it only counts as one indicator on the screen. So you're still under their indicator rule. That's what's so dope about it. Usually you have to pay, a lot of money to have a bunch of different indicators and everything up on the screen, but that's what's so dope about this strategy is that it only is the one indicator. So you're going to go up, click on indicators, type in TommyGunz sniper strategy. And then you're going to see a list of them is going to pop up. I already got it favorited. But it's right here under community. You'll see TommyGunz Sniper Strategy by FX TommyGunz. And all you got to do is click on it to apply it to your chart. You're going to see it's going to take a second to load up. And here it is. I know it seems like a lot. I'm going to go through and break down each one of these. Everything that you're seeing on the screen, and if you've already been trading binary options before, a lot of these things you've already seen, and I'm going to go into further detail in later videos in this whole tutorial series about the strategy and the indicator itself. But I'm just going to briefly touch on them here. You have two sets of Bollinger Bands. The way Bollinger Bands really work out. If price gets up towards the Bollinger Band, you'll see it sell off up at the top. If it gets down to the blue line, you'll see it buy off up from there. Just a real simple cut and dry of how those work. Then you're going to see your support and resistance lines. Red is resistance, blue is support. You usually see them break off of something. This was a previous form of resistance, and back over here, you see it come back up to this line again and drop back down. Same with support. You see it bouncing off of that in multiple different places over here as well. That's how the support and resistance line work. These are all to help you just, fine tune your entries and get better entries. You also have your call and put fractals, your buy or sell ones. Like when these pop up, it's going to buy. When these pop up, it's going to sell. The similar fractals are also down here in the bottom. On the bottom part here, you have this is a combined indicator down here. It's a stochastic oscillator extreme combined with an RSI and then combined with fractals in it as well. Usually when it's down, price is down here on the chart, it's getting ready to buy because it's in oversold conditions like it is right now. It should be getting ready to buy soon. And when it's up here, it's getting ready to sell. That's a brief breakdown of all the minor indicators that are in this that make up the strategy. But the biggest thing is up here in the right hand corner. This is a screener that I custom coded here, and it operates on just a 3-point system: a 1, a 2, or a 3. If you see a green 3, like in Euro AUD, it's getting ready to buy. And if you see a red 3, like in AUD USD, it's getting ready to sell. So if we go over to Euro AUD here, I like to keep my watch list the same as what I got up in my screener. You can edit that on your own by adding whatever you want to it. But see, so it's getting ready to sell off, or it's selling off right now. And that means here soon, that's a chart that we need to be watching to get ready to put in a buy on. Same way with this AUD USD. If I go to this chart, it should be buying off, which is getting ready to make a sell. I'm sure. Let me find it here. AUD USD. See, yep. Without even seeing the chart, I knew that AUD USD was buying, preparing for a sell. You see what I mean? So EuroCAD is getting ready for a buy. So EuroCAD's probably selling pretty strong right now. Let me go click on it. EuroCAD, see, selling pretty strong. Get ready for a buy to go in. And this screener stays on every single chart that you go through as you're going through everything. So now if we pick this up, and then I'm going to put pocket options over here on the side. Now, let me scoot that over a little bit. There we go. So what is this? EuroCAD. Let me go to EuroCAD over here. See if I got a good percentage. And not OTCs. We're not looking for OTC pairs. We're only looking for regular pairs. If it says OTC at the end of it, we're not trading it because it doesn't work with these over here. There's AUD CAD. I'm not seeing a good percentage for EuroCAD yet. Let me see. Anything above 70, I'm usually cool with. Euro GBP, I'm not seeing any. Nah, okay, let me find another one. Euro AUD. See if that's one that's. Go down, keep scrolling. AUD JPY is going crazy right now. Oh, let's go look at that one. That's a -3, so that should be buying. Getting ready for a sell. AUD JPY. Yep, buying like crazy. Getting ready for a sell. So now you just sit, wait for your time to go in. You get your fractal up there, but you want to have your sell fractal up here, your sell fractal right here with these lines crossing over the red line pointing back down to go ahead and jump in on a trade. But essentially what you do, I'll just go ahead and do it now. So I'm going to put in a sell for 3 minutes time frame. Put in a sell since I've seen that now. And I feel like I got a point to get in. And like I said, this isn't an area that I would normally trade in. I would have waited a little bit longer to see if I got a full turnaround on it. But it's selling off anyway. Got in, like I said, a little bit early. I would have waited just a little bit longer. But at the end of the day, by pressing sell for 3 minutes, I'm saying at the end of 3 minutes, the price is going to be below where I put that mark in at. So I just need this line at the end of 3 minutes to be below that in order for me to win the trade. And since it's at 90%, also what we do over here, go check, is this AUD JPY. So since the JPY, the second pair, AUD JPY is stronger, so that should be selling. All right. So You have that there, and if the trade stays up like that, you can have the option to roll it over. You can click roll over. It does add more money to your trade, but it extends your trade at like double the length. So if you got a 3-minute trade and you hit roll over, you're going to have a 6-minute trade. And that those are different little strategies that I'll show in later videos exactly how you can capitalize on them to win your trades. But see, there's a minute and a half left now. Now you can no longer use the rollover feature. You only get it in the first half of your trade if you're still losing in a trade. So, minute some change left, but that's how the strategy works. That's it. You get it up, you pull it up here, you find where you got a 3 at. You see if you got a good enough percentage on that chart. Like AUDJPY, I got a 3 over here, so I went to AUDJPY on the on pocket option, and wow, it's hitting for 90%. Like I said, anything over 70% I'm cool with. And we got 44 seconds left in that. It's still dancing around right there where we went in at. But you wait for this to fully turn around and start pointing down, and you'll start seeing it's getting ready to sell off, just like it did here. Just like it did here. You can see where the times are matched up. Sell fractal there. The lines crossing over, the red lines here, and then it starts going off. And you just continue to hit those trades like that. Get a few in a day, get a few in a trading session. You can trade this multiple trading sessions. All of that's going to be in later videos that I'm going to be posting, but that's the gist of it. That's how you get the indicator up on your chart, and you use it to navigate with pocket options. So see, I lost that trade, but had it been lower than my line, then I would have won on the trade. And that's just how you do it. You wait for it to actually give you, the turnaround or the turnaround signs where you got the sell sign here down at the bottom, like these other ones. You see how that lines up right there? You got to put sign there, and a sell sign there. So put sign there, sell sign there. Put sign up here, a sell sign down there, and it works in the same with the buys, because you see down here you have the buy, and you have the buy here. And you just got to wait for it to show up. And now look, it's starting to take off now. But just got to wait for your time and get in. But that's how you get the indicator up on your screen, and that's how you navigate it. Now, like I said, in later videos, I'm going to be teaching why we go with these numbers and why we're only looking for, like when we jump into this AUD CAD, if I go to AUD CAD, we're only looking for sells in AUD CAD. Sorry, let me see, AUD CAD right there. So we're only looking for sell opportunities in this, because you see that purple line going all the way through it? That's a 200 EMA. And it's really close to that right now, like price is reversing, but we're only looking for sell opportunities because it's below that. If it was above this, we'd only be looking for buy opportunities, like GBP AUD. That one is above the 200 EMA, I'm sure. Yeah. And see, I know these things just by looking at the chart. If it's green, that means on that specific chart, price is above the 200 EMA. If it's red, that lets me know price is below the 200 EMA. So that's how you're able to see the entire market at a glance. I don't have to keep flipping through charts and seeing what's good and what isn't. No, I just sit here and wait for a 3 to pop up. Oh, GBP and ZD is on a 3 right now. So then, or let me see, there's that one, or AUD USD. So AUD USD is on a red 3, so that means it's below the purple EMA, and it's getting ready to sell off. So as soon as it loads up here, you'll see EMA is going to be, yep, below, price is below the purple EMA, and it's looking like it's getting ready to sell. See how it just keeps ping-ponging back and forth up towards the top of the Bollinger Band. All of those different things, they all line up to let me know in that screener exactly what's going on without having to look at the chart. GBP AUD, where's that at? Yeah, that's got a 3 right now, a green 3. So I know that's above the purple EMA and it's currently selling. Above the purple EMA and it's currently selling. All of that just by looking at my screener. So that lets me know what charts are getting ready to do what. You see what I mean? But that's it for this video. We'll go ahead and wrap this up, but that's the short version of how you use the strategy. If you want, like I said, like, subscribe, follow, all those other things that YouTubers say at the end and beginning of their videos. And but I will have the link to my Discord group in the description of this video, where I actually have an ebook that really dives into the meat and potatoes of this strategy, exactly how to trade it, how to use all the different indicators, and how to put together a really solid trading plan. So come check it out. Get the free ebook. All of this is free. The indicator, the trading view, the pocket options, all of those are free accounts. Everything's free. You can use it for free. The Discord's free to jump into, and so is the ebook. So you guys have a good day.